The leaked anti-mnangagwa dossier, read by Vice President Chiwenga before the ZANU-PF Politburo, recently has sent shockwaves through the ruling party's top ranks, exposing deep divisions over corruption, power, and President Emmerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his rule to 2030. Sana bina mashoko buda panguwa ine tuona vipi kosa no Chiwenga Avhundutsa Vanhu. Panguwa ine ndobo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamubuda nyuko mchinsi. The 20-page document, now circulating among senior ZANU-PF members, accuses Mnangagwa's closest business allies of state capture, massive looting, and orchestrating a treasonous agenda to subvert the constitution and secure the president's stay in power beyond his second term. In the dossier, Chiwenga draws chilling parallels between the current political climate and the final days of the late Robert Mugabe, warning that history is repeating itself in the most shameful way. In quotes, Comrade President, we undertook Operation Restore Legacy with a sacred mandate to reclaim our nation from the jaws of corruption and to restore the dignity, prosperity, and sovereignty of Zimbabwe, Chiwenga wrote. Today, history is repeating itself. Why we find ourselves in this situation is both shocking and shameful. The Vice President's statement accuses tycoons, Kurakoshita Gray, Vikno Chivayo, Teleshungwaya, and gold dealers of looting over $3.2 billion through a web of fraudulent state deals. These include Tagre's controversial stake of Kuimba Mining House, the manipulation of the Great Dyke investments, Chivayo's ZEC payment scandals, Ngwaya's Pomona West deal, and Saukwanya's alleged abuse of gold incentives. The Vice President also lashed out at the controversial Breaking Barriers initiative allegedly crafted by the exiled former Minister Jonathan Moyo to suspend elections until 2035, renting it treacherous and warning that it was being covertly implemented with funding from Mnangagwa's business backers. Political analysts say the leaking of Chiwenga's dossier marks the clearest and most public rupture between Mnangagwa and his deputy since the 2017 coup that brought them to power. Insiders describe the atmosphere in the Politburo as tense and unprecedented, with senior officials split between loyalty to Mnangagwa and alarm to the corrupt allegations. The explosive leak has reignited speculation that Zimbabwe's ruling elite is once again at war with itself, this time over who will control the post-Mnangagwa era. As one senior party source put it, the relationship between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has become exactly what Mugabe and Mnangagwa was in 2017, toxic and unsustainable. Tuze mafunguro enyi mrezi mbo moto kulipa msoro kwa developments awa. Pinako message medu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.